If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit the like button, JK Auto Review, share it with your friends, and subscribe the legendary F-15 fighter jet and discuss its presence and role in Pakistan. The F-15 is one of the most powerful fighter aircraft in the world, famous for its unmatched speed, advanced technology, and air superiority. So let's dive in and see how this aircraft connects with Pakistan's defense and aviation. Section 1 about the F-15. The F-15 Eagle was designed by the United States for absolute air dominance. It can fly at speeds over Mach 2.5, climb higher than most modern jets, and carry a wide range of weapons, from air-to-air missiles to smart bombs. What makes the F-15 truly special is its record. It has more than 100 confirmed air-to-air victories and 0 losses in aerial combat. That makes it one of the most trusted and feared fighter jets in history. Section 2 F-15 in Pakistan context. Now the big question: does Pakistan have the F-15? The short answer is no. Pakistan Air Force does not operate the F-15. However, the F-15 has often been seen in the region, especially with allied forces such as Saudi Arabia and the United States. Pakistan has strong military ties with both of these countries, and there have been joint training exercises where the F-15 has flown alongside Pakistan's own aircraft like the F-17 Thunder and the F-16 Fighting Falcon. This means Pakistani pilots and defense experts are familiar with the capabilities of the F-15. It also gives Pakistan valuable experience in dealing with advanced fighter jets, which is important for regional security and defense strategy. Section 3 Comparison with Pakistan's jets. If we compare the F-15 with Pakistan's jets, the closest match is the F-16. Both aircraft are American-made and designed for multi-role missions. The F-15, however, is bigger, faster, and has longer range. On the other hand, Pakistan's pride, the F-17 Thunder, is a cost-effective, modern, and highly capable aircraft made in collaboration with China. While the F-15 is a heavyweight designed for maximum power, the F-17 is a lightweight jet designed for flexibility and affordability. Conclusion. So, while Pakistan does not currently own the F-15, this fighter jet has played an indirect role in Pakistan's defense environment through regional presence and military cooperation. The F-15 remains one of the greatest fighter jets of all time, and its reputation continues to inspire advancements in modern air combat technology. Thank you for watching this review of the F-15 fighter jet in Pakistan. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more military and aviation content. See you next video. JK Auto Review.